Hi everyone, today I came to teach you how to solder professionally. First we'll talk about the tools that you should have. First you should have a soldering gun like this one. This is called gut, and this is a holder for the iron gun. Okay, and I recommend of course this one because this is for professional users. And I ask you not to buy such cheap iron guns like this one, because it won't help, it won't make you professional. We use the Flux. This is the Flux, but I don't use it in its original state like this, but I melt it, and I'll show you how. This is for the ordinary soldier gun, but for the hot air I don't use this, but I use that. It is just like Vaseline. I use this ordinary flux for removing electronic components using the ordinary soldering gun. But as for this, for the soldering base, this soldering base, I use it for installing and removing electronic parts by using the hot air. And instead of using the soldering gun, I can use the cooker, the gas cooker, and melt it right away. But as long as the iron solder is handy, so I use it. This is after melting. Now it is ready for use. This is the best solder wire you can use. This is 0.6 millimeter. You see, it is very thin. It saves you money and time. Before talking about soldering, let's talk about removing electronic component from a board. I buy a satellite antenna wire like this one, Italian. This is the best available in the market. I peel it and I take out the shield. After use, I put it in a bottle like this one so that it doesn't oxidate and becomes useless. Okay, of course I don't peel. I buy 1 meter by 1 meter. Of course I don't peel the whole 1 meter, only the piece I'm going to use. For example, this long, nothing more. Because when it is left in the open air, it oxidates. When it oxidates, it becomes useless. There are ready-made shields and the markets available. I prefer to buy it this way and to do it myself. I build it with a cutter. I'll show you. But not, of course, I have to be careful not to cut the shield inside. So only I build a little bit, then I pull it out. And about and I pull it out with pincers. It's 2 pincers actually. I've been sitting. I pull it this way, and this is the shield I use. One of the tools also for soldering is the solder removing gun. Okay, we don't use it anymore because the Chinese boards, I'm afraid, are very fragile and very feeble. So we cannot use such a gun with it because it removes, it damages the board itself. So we don't use it anymore, and instead we use the shield. Okay, now I'm going to replace this socket with that one. So notice very carefully how I remove the solder and how I resolder. Okay. This is the shield and this is the flux. I'll put more flux. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. See you in a new video. Bye for now.